Chrysler is on a roll these days. The Pentastar brand's products are the best they've been in ever, and they keep improving with each generation. Now, showing that there still is a market for large V8-powered rear-wheel drive automobiles, the Dodge brand revealed two such products right here in New York City. The Dodge Charger has received a generous refresh for 2015. Nearly every body panel on this large sedan has been reworked, including the hood, fenders, front doors, fascias, and more. These changes give it a distinctive, if somewhat unusual, appearance. The interior has been given a thorough going over as well, but keep in mind this is evolution, not revolution. There's a new 3-spoke steering wheel, for instance, a 7-inch customizable gauge cluster, and more. Of course, it's also got the latest version of the company's Uconnect infotainment system. As for numbers, the 2015 Dodge Charger features either a 3.6-liter V6 or a 5.7-liter Hemi. The former engine puts out 300 horsepower, the latter 370 ponies with 395 pound-feet of twist. An 8-speed TorqueFlite automatic is available with either engine, and when matched to the 6-cylinder unit, the Charger ought to return a best-in-class 31 mpg highway. But sedans aren't for everyone, which is where the new 2015 Challenger comes in. Just like the Charger, it's received a nice exterior update, but the real changes here are inside. It's got an all-new cabin, though it does look quite familiar. Charger. It's also got a new steering wheel plus aluminum trim and a totally redesigned center console. On the technology front, Uconnect is available, as is a host of driver assistance features, things like adaptive cruise control and blind spot monitoring. Premium touches like heated and cooled seats as well as Nappa leather are also on the menu. Of course, the Challenger's powertrain options mirror what's in the Charger. You get a base Pentastar V6, there's a 5.7-liter Hemi, and of course an 8-speed TorqueFlite Auto for customers that want a self-shifting gearbox, though you can still get a manual with that V8 engine. But the most important aspect of this car has got to be its available 6.4-liter Hemi offered in the Scat Pack model. This thundering 2x4 puts out a walloping 485 horsepower and 475 pound-feet of torque. Both the manual and auto box are offered, so yay for that. And with the self-shifter, this car will dash from 0 to 60 miles an hour in the mid-4-second range. The quarter mile can be yours in around 12 seconds, and top speed is a claimed 182 miles an hour. Brembo brakes should bring the Scat Pack to a rapid halt. Now, beyond all of these enhancements, the 2015 Charger also benefits from electrically assisted power steering, and it's got 3 driver selectable modes. It also features an aluminum rear axle housing for reduced weight, and it's got a retuned suspension, plus a lot more going on. Now, production of both of these cars is slated to begin in the 3rd quarter of this year at Chrysler's assembly plant in Brampton, Ontario.